In a day of significant political developments for Tripura, the Tipra Motha Party has set a firm deadline for the 2026 TTAADC General Elections while claiming a major breakthrough in the long-standing Kokborok script controversy. In a press conference held on Thursday, Rabindra Debbarma, EM of the ADC Education Department, revealed that Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha has expressed personal sincerity toward introducing the Roman script for the Kokborok language. The statement follows a high-level meeting between a four-member Tipra Motha delegation and the Chief Minister at his official residence on Wednesday. A member of delegation present in the press meet includes former ADC CEO C.K. Jamatia, senior Tipra Motha leader Rajeshwar, EM Rabindra Debbarma, and Advocate Anthony Debbarma. In a press conference held on Thursday, Rabindra Debbarma, EM of the ADC Education Department, said that the CM reportedly informed the delegation that he has already written to the TBSC, CBSC and ICSE boards regarding the adoption of the Roman script. Dr. Saha advised the Tipra Motha delegation to visit New Delhi and personally meet with CBSC and ICSE officials to push for the formal adoption of the script, as the state is yet to receive a formal response to its letters.
Spokesperson or Khorang Tongo, Boranganang, Rajeshwar Debbarma, Boranganang C.K. Jamatia, Boranganang Anthony Debbarma, Miachung Mukhomontri Malaimani, Onek Din, Chung Chesta Kamani Pore, Mukhomontri, Chungo Kaisha Zoraka, Mia Time Rika, Marathon Sumoyo, Sunkai, Willow Chung Sanmanikai, total. Chini joto elected 13 jana Chini MLA plus minister tai Chini baki MDCs including CM Soho kintu mananiya mukhyamantri sungno khorok bani chance rakha nor khorok phaidi an nor kok salai aboni pore sung khorok thane khorok rithanga ani logi tongo Boranganang MLA Biswajit Koloi, Boranganang MLA Philips Kumarian, Boranganang MDC Umar Shankar Debbarma. Singnot Nupani Logana Bob Asugay Chini, Memorandum Porima Loglosa, Mate Modenato, Onekong Masho, Bono San Emily Semalia, when a human script teach humbly. Mate Modena actor Boktiva, I can add a book to go, it at the next one for the high. Dolia, Polio, Haishakapo. Guy, Aboni Porabo Saka, the Kokborok Roman script, the Mane Birudi, Hinibo Salia. Kokborok by Roman script, ever Kokborok, Manapori Kerimano, or Kokza, or Kaisha Posaka. Aboni Bagay, protective Jakana Kokborok, subject by Porikeri, Nani Zingotomo. Central Tongo, Madhumik 12 ni, Tipra Board of Secondary Education, Vicious Kai. Azagago, Bo, Omaike, Songzak, teacher to Buzi Ankai, Jemon Kokborok by Roman script by Ang My Chow, Bak Koganji, Ang My Chow, Panokitu, Binikoto, Alada of the Hedva, script to Alada. Abono Buzu never get a bosso, and Borok Tikajak. Emtap Tikene. অবনতি এই বিধানসভা দুইবার আলোচনা কা দুইবার ন সিবিএসই নি পেপার বসাওকা আং দুইবার ন দিল্লি ওয়াং চিটি সিগে চেয়ারম্যান সিবিএসই চেয়ারম্যান সিএসই ন আবনি উত্তরাং তা গুমাইয়া আর নর গরহতি সিংসাগসিং তো রহরকা আগি রহরকা এনজিও রহরকা গা বসাকা নর গো মালাই দি সিংকমনা সিং মালাই গাই ইমিডিয়েট ন সিং কমিউনিকেশন খাই তো বুবাগলা খানা সুপা গ্যাংকাই 16 bubagra phake salai sungpupru dilio thangiman ekta delegate khom thangnai gamti kei salaite kabangma kok salaikya kai kono somoyo boto chief minister ba ang bubagra salaikya মহারাজের সঙ্গে আমি কথা বলেছি এই ব্যাপারে মাঝে মধ্যে সব এই পিটাপিটি এটা ভালো না আপতিরও ছাত্রঙ্গ Aptirok kansakana pita to sing apna bag phimiya singkai horop notisi script notisi sing phimani gai bini je kok khup sur pisa norom haino sing nukta samia bising botam khaino gai motamuti sing omonoti o জানুয়ারি যেহেতু মার্চ মাসের পরীক্ষা जों जेसाखे पानो जों जानुवारि मासाव दिल्लीयाव थानाय चिनियाव ग्रुप एमएलए एमबिसि चिनि लिडारशिप दङ चिनि बुबाग्रा जे डाइरेक्शन माने आगोनि मुताबिक जों दिल्लीयाव थांनाय आइडिया
दिल्ली के साबै मालानि सर
दिल्लीयाव तो चेयरमैन सीबीएसई नि
प्रेसिडेंट चेयरमैन
तारपरे चेयरमैन आईसीएस नि नांखाय ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट मिनिस्टर जों मालाय फैनाय डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ बिल्डिंग बतंगले अब नांलाय जागले ऑल इंडिया ऑल ओवर इंडिया नॉर्थ ईस्ट त्रिपुरा राज्यनि बसाका जों सागाता जदि और लुसाइ संख्या बुसबांबा लुसाइ रंनो जदि न रोमान स्क्रिप्ट नि माखांकाय क्वेश्चन क्लाइमाका क्वेश्चन पेपर क्लाइमाखांकाय व्हाई नॉट चिन कोकबरक सानै दं जों रिमेबा आबनो जों जुरालु जों दाबि खाया जों बनो खूब गाहामखनो पलाइटलि बय जों आलोचना खाया मुटामुटी साइमिया बताक दं मानसुनो बुसखांनि चिनि जखनै चिनि विधानसभा अधिवेशन नाय आप्रुव कोनो बारबार जों टिचार जानाय जतखन ना पयजन्त अ रोमान स्क्रिप्ट माय सा चिनि चबा yang by जत जागानो जों सरि अबला एकदम स्ट्राइक
Simultaneously, former TTAADC CEO and senior leader C.K. Jamatia addressed the media regarding the upcoming general elections for the district council, highlighting that the current tenure is set to expire on April 18, 2026. Jamatia urged the state government and the state election commission to ensure the electoral process is completed on time based on the draft electoral rolls. The last election was held on April 6, 2021. Any delay in conducting the ADC or village council elections will be viewed as an infringement on the political rights of the indigenous Tipra sub-people, Jamatia stated. He warned that if the elections are not conducted within the constitutional time frame, the Tipra Motha Party will launch statewide mass movements and agitations.
Motha Party ni taraf theke jong government of Tripura ni je tribal department jong sanai tabo je agami je ADC election general election to Tripura tribal areas autonomous district council boni meat paya ko sani sikangno jate election khlajangna ni ungthang omachini demand chini dabi government of Tripura ni thanigo accordingly ornigo boy jeta tangmani rules ko tangman je amma haka Tripura tribal areas autonomous district council Constitution, Election and Conduct of Business Rules 1985. और जगह सुजग तंगो जे मेयाद पाया को सानी शिकांग न अब इलेक्शन मार्क खाई नहीं अगर ताबो नी जे वर्तमान जे काउंसिल तंगो बनी मेयाद पाई नहीं 18 अप्रैल 2026 बनी आगे न जाता है एडीसी इलेक्शन खाया निंगथं इन्हीं चंग गवर्नमेंट थानों तक सका एवं जे एडीसी नि जे एग्जीक्यूटिव कमिटी बरो बहानी सिद्धांत नागई चिठी काइसा रहा जाखा जे ओ इलेक्शन टाइमली खाजंग निंगथं बनी रेस्पॉन्स है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ त्रिपुरा नि ट्राइबल फेयर डिपार्टमेंट बरो एडीसी न संखा जे ताबनी जे reservation status no nirok rohdi ini samani pare hai ADC ni CU bo reservation status na mention khlai state government ni thane ko chithi rohjakha jong idaning kale jong khus khobor na kha tabo election khlaina ni thaka angka tini hanga 15 January 2026 election last election bongkha 6th April 2021 अंका बनी आगे जो दिखलाना नहीं था अंका है by this time the electoral roll draft of electoral roll ADC नि बांगै आबक खलायनाय नि समय फाय सफाय दंखा जों ओ चिठी रहमानि परे ट्राइबल फेयर डिपार्टमेंट नि तरफ थेके कोनो प्रिपारेशन अमहाय खलायजाक दङ हैनि जुनो जानंमानि गरै हायनि बांगनि जों आबक ओ प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस नि बिसिंतै खलाय गवर्नमेंट ऑफ त्रिपुरा ट्राइबल फेयर डिपार्टमेंट जों सानानि मुसुगो जे निरक व्यक्ति जा नेसेसारि पदक्षेप नांगमानि बनो नादि नागै टाइमली एडीसी इलेक्शन खलायदि अमंके से त्रिपुरा मथानि पॉलिटिकल पार्टी नि डिमांड
तुम टाइम
Bono Klanane Bangi Junto Tabok demand Klaka, Jodi Boro Klaya Honka, Chung agitation Klane, movement Klane, Bono Chini point the political rights, Chini Tipra Nibangi the political rights, Nibangi Chintabo Cox Haitung, Jodi Boro timely general election to ADC Klaya Honka, Borok Chini Tipra Saroni, the political rights, one ignore Klebani Kleine, Sunto Chin Borong Nibang, Chin and Top and political rights among in Cox Haidong. Jodi Borok, timely election Klaya Hanga, Borok Chini, Tipra Saroni, Eddie shows the political rights and Cock Ramon Borok, ignore Klebani Kleine, Bonibang in its own, Chin Borong political rights, Nibang Cox.
Adding to the party's stand, senior leader Rajeshwar addressed several issues concerning the constitutional rights of the indigenous community.
Question arises since normally the election conducted within the 5 years of the tenure, the span of the election. So the State Election Commission did not conduct the general election to TTAADC, village committee election to TTAADC. Definitely this question is arises, but we hope we have to communicate with the election commission as well as the honorable chief minister. Since the honorable chief minister is the head of the state, so we have to appraise the issue and we have mandatory to place our demand as a political player of the state, important political player of the state. So this is very important for the interest of the general people, for the upliftment of the state. So naturally this question is arises before us. So yesterday we had the opportunity to meet Honorable Chief Minister and placed a very demand to accept, to exceed our submission for the betterment of the state.
तो जब आपने दिए हैं
On this issue, we did not appraise during the course of the discussion on the particular issues, that is Roman script. That issues only discussed on the very meeting yesterday.
तो देखा गया है बहुत जगह
He has already started yesterday and assured us. So I think so. He's already sent his demands, sent his points of view for the interest of the people. Now we don't like to mention anything on this stage. So we always hope positive from the Honorable Chief Minister. I think time to time the situation is developing. So he's the head of the state. He definitely look into the matters for the betterment of the state. So we don't like to comment anything further on this.
तो
We report from him. So as long as the discussion is concerned, so the points of view who the Honorable Chief Minister expressed yesterday during the course of a discussion with our delegates. So I think that point is enough that we must appreciate the Honorable Chief Minister if he taking care of the issues and the very issue at the earliest possible.
With the ADC elections fast approaching, the political atmosphere in Tripura is intensifying as Tipra Motha continues to leverage its twin demands of script, recognition and administrative autonomy. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.